Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Ishan Farooq and you are watching Tech Stack. Today we are going to learn about how to download and install Notepad++. So just open the link that I have given in the description. Notepad++ is a very small software and very useful. So you can see here it's 7.2 MB software. Just download this. We will wait patiently until it gets complete. Let it complete and we will open it after it will be completed. So just wait a little. So now you can click on open, click on yes, okay, next, agree, next, next, create shortcut on desktop, install, finish. So now here it is. Just close this one so you can see ignore selected updates. So just close it. Once again I'm going to open it to show you. So here it is. You can edit it or write any language here like HTML. Okay, so this is it. Thank you very much. That's all. Just hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.